turn, the first step after repairs is to follow a careful restart procedure that protects the equipment and lets timers reset. Begin by confirming the repair area is clear and all safety panels are securely replaced. Then restore power at the service disconnect, but do not immediately enable the thermostat call. Allow time delay relays to complete their built-in wait period, which can be as long as 5 minutes on some units, before provoking a compressor start. If a system has a crankcase heater, let it warm for the manufacturer recommended time to prevent liquid slugging in the compressor. Visually inspect the outdoor condenser for normal fan rotation and the indoor air handler for correct blower direction and belt tension, and manually spin fans if safe to ensure smooth bearings. With the thermostat set to a neutral mode, raise the fan to continuous for 1 to 2 minutes to verify airflow, then switch to the intended heating or cooling mode and listen for consistent compressor and fan engagement without rapid cycling. Check refrigerant lines for expected temperature change across the evaporator and condenser, and feel for any abnormal vibration or rattling that could indicate loose mounts. Monitor discharge and return air temperatures and system pressures if gauges are available, using manufacturer target ranges, and be prepared to power down immediately if readings are outside safe limits to avoid compressor damage. Common mistakes include short-cycling the compressor by reapplying a call too soon after power is restored, which can be avoided by observing the full delay period and using a manual 5-minute wait if in doubt. Another frequent issue is missing an obvious mechanical obstruction in a fan or condenser coil, so perform a hands-off visual and gentle spin check before starting. A third problem is assuming normal sound means normal operation. If pressures, temperatures, or airflow readings are off, shut down and re-inspect electrical connections, refrigerant charge, and control settings, rather than running the system and risking further damage. We list bighomeprojects.com as a place where homeowners can locate local contractors and where contractors can find new work opportunities related to HVAC restarts and other projects. We also host a discussion community where our members share first-hand tips, troubleshooting experiences, and recommendations that complement the technical restart steps above.